Oh man, live. Shout out to my boy YKB, man. Great conversations as always, and we're always blessed to have amazing people coming through. And I have an amazing brand in the house. But before then, send me messages. MX24 TV, every single platform. Hashtag MXLIVE in reference to anything we talk about. If you have any questions, please shoot any suggestions. Just let us know. We're open to listening, and this brand is open to suggestions, questions, and everything else.
Yeah, everything feedback is what we want.
Everything feedback. How's feedback for the year been?
Incredible. I think for if we have to be fair, I think this year, post-summer, we didn't have all the major blockbusters coming through. A lot of them had to reschedule to next year.
Okay.
So, I mean, we are promising people great entertainment 2024. And also use this platform to officially apologize to every beehive. And by beehive, I mean Beyonce fans in Ghana. We were scheduled to show the movie Renaissance, but it couldn't happen. So on behalf of the brand, we would want to sincerely apologize to everyone. And we've done all refunds that so I think we're looking forward to next year being a year of great movies and experiences. I mean, we don't just sell movies, we sell experiences. So more experiences, better feel for everyone, an easier way to purchase tickets, better screens. I mean, we've upgraded some of our projectors to the latest laser projectors, and so hopefully next year is like a whole revamp.
We say this at the end of every year, but next year's movies are crazy.
Yeah, super.
We said this last year.
Super.
But that's just the truth, right?
Yeah, super.
How exciting for you as being a part of the brand and the brand itself when all these movies are coming up, and like you're saying, you have to upgrade, the lighting and the sound, because they are doing that, looking at the content they're bringing, right? So it means that we all have to sit up, so to speak.
Yeah, I mean, we for the past 15 years, we have advanced from one phase to the next, biting on feedback from people and also catching up with the trends globally. And so, I mean, we have moved from 35mm projectors to now using Baco laser projectors and all, and very soon we know that in the formats that these movies come in, would show them in their correct formats so people can appreciate it more. I mean, and complement it with the surround sound that we feed them already. So I mean, excitement for your eyes, for your ears, and every other thing that is involved in there.
Yeah, and I'm assuming this weekend is no exception. What's coming up?
Okay, so this weekend actually, Hollywood took a break on us, and so we are preparing actually for next week. Next week has crazy movies. I mean, next week is a fantastic time, but regardless, we still have great movies showing in cinemas. I wouldn't want to push that out of the way. We have super fantastic movies showing, but next week we have Wonka, Willy Wonka.
Oh, yes, they're bringing it back.
Yes, they're bringing it back. It's a great, fantastic choice for families. I mean, I think was last week the holiday.
Yes,
was last week. Yes, yes, I think so. And truth is, holidays give me excitement because that's when I get to see families
and falling on a Friday.
Yes, and you see fathers, mothers who are super intentional about their children, giving their children a treat and also wanting to be part of their life. Sometimes you have parents who would literally host a movie session. So Aubrey's mother would say, let's hang out with all your friends at Silverbird. Yes, and it happens. And so the festive season, all we are saying is parents, make sure you give your children a treat. Make sure you become a part of their life, their journey, their growth. And we have exciting movies that you can come see and have post discussions, because all the time I keep saying this, the parents come in and think, oh, the movie is for the kids. Then they go in there and appreciate the movie more because everything that is happening makes sense to them.
Bro, that's the kind of parent I'll be, man. I'm like, keep quiet, bro.
they tend to appreciate it more. And I mean, you have movies that entertain and also educate. And so post these movies, you have discussions and also have them analyze and also know what characters, what they represent in our real society now. And so it's like a feast for families. We have Migration coming next week.
That cartoon.
If nothing excites you, one voice in there would excite you, and that voice comes with the name Aquafina. Aquafina is in there.
But the trailer is funny.
Yes, super funny. We have Wonka also coming through, and we have a Nigerian blockbuster also, Ada Omodadi by Mercy Aigbe.
Bro, I've seen some Nigerian movie trailers.
Bro,
we're talking about this like the standards, the levels, man.
As much as I'll choose our jollof at this moment, I think Nigeria is in a way.
At least we have jollof. At least we have jollof. We do take that.
But next year, I know Ghana movie industry is bouncing back.
Nice,
also, this December, if you were part of, there was a movie that premiered this year. No, I think it was last year. It's titled God is African. And Jason, I'm telling you, I entered a hall, and everybody in that hall was praying.
For real?
Like, the movie had not ended, but there was a Holy Ghost convention happening there. Like, everybody was praying.
Crazy.
And I won't even lie, I was also praying
at
that time.
Bro.
And so there's a part 2 to it, but this time it's titled God is African 2.
We're gonna jump for them. We're gonna jump, bro.
God is African
Taking
2.
drums in there, bro.
Yeah, God is African 2 is coming to cinemas this December, I think 22nd December. You should make sure.
Wow, that's a very intriguing title.
Yes. The first one, if you have seen it, you know how engaging, how realistic it is. I mean, it was actually grabbed from a testimony of one of the cast, actually.
Okay.
Like, is that crazy? It's a real story told, but the big question is, like, who is God? And I mean, the movie ended on one of the most subtle tones, and so we just can't wait for
it's
what's...
got my mind like, even just the title, right? And okay, so we've got a couple of trailers. I'm checking these out. I'm not letting you leave just yet. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Hope you like jamming too. Where you want to start?
From the beginning. Reggae is a people music. People coming together.
Ooh, yeah.
You know you're a superstar.
All right, we're jamming.
I'm a superstar.
I want to jam it with you. We can do it anyhow. Jam until the jam is through.
There's a war going on.
We're jamming.
You can't separate the music and the message.
Cause every day we pay the price.
And what is the message?
Sacrifice.
Peace.
Oh, life is worth much more than gold.
Bob, they try to kill you and your wife. And now you're choosing to return to Jamaica to play a peace concert? Don't you fear for your life?
So we gonna walk. Through the roads of creation.
My life is not important to me.
Are you satisfied
My life is for people.
with the life you're living?
Do you really think this world will make it?
Yes. There's no other way.
Exodus.
That's the source of your strength.
We know where. Even Babylon. Going to our fatherland. We know where we're going. We know where we're going. Open your
One love, one heart, one destiny.
All right, like I said earlier, we have the legendary Chief Adewale Ayuba on the bandstand.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Or am I just overthinking everything?
I don't think we should jump into any conclusion because of this picture.
Shut your mouth.
You're asking me to shut my mouth?
Shut. Koshidanu.
He said Koshidanu.
That when a Yoruba woman tells you Koshidanu, it means war. This is the time for us to go to Plan B. Bombardment.
What we did, we were just trying to protect.
No, Daddy, nobody protects anybody with lies. No.
Thank the Lord above for sending you to me. If we can
So engaged to me.
Why do you want to know? Daddy, you know, Mommy, look why. Why are you both making it about you? I'll tell you.
This is epic.
I took off and learn you. If I didn't share.
So you're the funny little man who's been following me.
Funny little man. How dare you? I will have you know that I am a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa.
An Oompa what now?
In fact, in Loompa Land, I am regarded as something of a whopper. They call me Lofty.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all. My name is Willy Wonka. You see, I'm something of a magician. Prepare to be amazed.
Tape out.
Inventor. May I present Willy Wonka's wild and wonderful wishy-washy Wonka Walker? Please don't make me say that again. And chocolate maker.
The best chocolate in the world.
Ooh. He's good. Too good. And anyone can afford them. Even the poor? He doesn't like it when people say poor. Send Wonka a message. Do not sell chocolate in this town!
You're gonna get more than a bonk on the head.
I know the bonk on the head. What is with me today?
You should stand up to those bullies. Give them the old 1-2.
I got an idea.
Where do we start?
Making chocolate, of course.
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. So you hold on to yours.
I guess it's time to change the world.
Oompa Loompa Doompa Diddy. I'm not in premium economy. Good night, sir. I am going flat.
Huh.
What is it?
Nothing.
Well, it's obviously something because you said, huh.
Forget it.
Very well.
Huh.
Ah, you did it again. Tell me what it is, or I shall poke you quite viciously with a cocktail stick.
We're on on an adventure. Seeing what else life has to offer. Is that a little scary? Sure. But isn't it worth it?
We're not gonna make it, are we?
Uncle Dan!
What is this place?
We are completely lost.
Where's your mother? That is not your mother.
We're trying to get to Jamaica.
Don't worry, Chump's gotcha.
So listen, Chump.
What? Did you just call me?
Sorry, I thought your name was Chump.
Yeah, Chump. Yeah, that's my name. What?
Right. So listen, Chump.
What did you just call me?
I'm sorry. Is everyone else hearing Chump? What?
This isn't about migration. It's about adventure.
Whoa, hey!
What just happened? I don't know, but you're in trouble.
What is that? Dog on a roll.
What's the l'orange?
It's you with l'orange on top.
There's a whole world we've been missing out on.
And we. When danger strikes, you do not run from it. Reload! We're going to finish this crazy, wonderful adventure.
You're so adorable. Maybe I'll eat you. I'm kidding. Where am I?
Huh? Go, go, go!
Oh, bro. Like, what else is there to say? Oh, the Bob Marley movie.
Yeah, next
Guys
year.
were showing, I was like, how do you even play Bob Marley, right? Like, Bob Marley.
And I mean, the date is coming. It's coming on the 16th of February.
Okay.
So it's actually a real time to show real love. But we'll be having an exclusive event on 13th.
Like you do
Yes.
very often, right?
On 13th of February. And we are hoping to bring together some of the biggest faces and the biggest names, all to celebrate that one man who represented love, music, talent, and hope to a generation and after. I mean, Bob Marley's era is past, but then you have new folks like myself, folks in the Gen Z era also jumping on and, I mean, digesting bits of his message. And I feel like he has grown to become an icon that is worth celebrating. I would love in the near future to see a Daddy Lumba movie on the screen, to see a Kojo Entry movie on the screen, going places. So yeah,
Nice one.
I mean this is a step in the right direction. Hopefully,
Straight up. Yeah, so again, from that to Wonka to everything else, that's the migration, you know, also next week, right?
Yes, next week.
Okay.
Next weekend. So if you want all information, you visit our website. Simply Google Silverbird Ghana or go to www.silverbearcinemas.com/West Hills and www.silverbearcinemas.com/Accra. And one thing, please let me say this.
Yes, please.
For our JHS folks, for the people.
Hey, we are here. Why are you not looking at me? What's happening? What's happening?
For the folks that can afford, I mean, the big events coming through with their 200 and 300 tax, we are having a mega event for you on 27th December at Silverbird Cinemas, West Hills Mall. So please make sure you jump on our social media to Silverbird Ghana. It is a movie treat, and not just a movie treat. It comes with music and every other thing you can think of. So to my JHS people, simply jump on our social media and make sure you catch all the 411s. Tickets will be out soon, so we can all celebrate this festive season. Nobody's left out of the fun.
I'm going to get my uniform ready because I don't want to miss nothing on 27th. Bro, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Big salute to Silverbird, you know, how you guys are, you know, appreciating the fans as much as possible with this JHS experience and everything else. Can't wait to see you exciting stuff you have in store. I have to let him go and I have to leave, but thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, thank you to Silverbird for coming through as they do every single Wednesday, and to YKB, my brother from Nigeria, appreciate you too. And to everyone who loves MX Live, I have to go, but stick and stay to MX24. See you. Salute.